Maverick's riveting story about Charles Darwin, who disclosed theory of evolution. Once upon a time, in the bustling English city of Shrewsbury, a baby boy named Charles Robert Darwin was born on February 12, 1809. His parents, Robert and Susanna Darwin, could not have imagined that their son would one day revolutionize the way we understand the natural world and our place in it. Young Charles had a curious mind and a penchant for nature. He was captivated by the diverse flora and fauna that surrounded him, and spent countless hours roaming the woods, collecting insects, and observing plants. His father, a wealthy doctor, had aspirations for Charles to follow in his footsteps. But the young boy's heart belonged to the wonders of the natural world. His insatiable curiosity would ultimately propel him toward a grand adventure that would change the course of scientific history. When Charles was 22, a remarkable opportunity presented itself. The chance to join the HMS Beagle as a naturalist on a voyage around the world. This was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for Charles to explore the world's farthest reaches and uncover its secrets. With a spirit of excitement and a thirst for knowledge, he embarked on the 5-year journey that would take him to places like Brazil, the Galapagos Islands, and Australia. Throughout the voyage, Charles collected a myriad of specimens, made keen observations, and took meticulous notes. In the Galapagos Islands, he discovered something truly extraordinary. Finches with different beak shapes on each island, each uniquely adapted to the specific food sources available. This observation planted the seed for his groundbreaking idea, the concept of natural selection. Charles spent years contemplating this idea and analyzing his data. He eventually formulated a theory that would shake the very foundations of the scientific world, the theory of evolution by natural selection. According to this theory, species evolve over time as a result of a process in which individuals with traits best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. These advantageous traits are then passed on to future generations, leading to the gradual transformation of species. Darwin's theory of natural selection is comprised of 4 main principles: variation, inheritance, high population growth rate, and differential survival and reproduction. First, individuals within a species exhibit variations in their traits, such as size, color, and behavior. Second, these traits can be inherited from parent to offspring. Third, populations tend to produce more offspring than can survive in their environment, leading to competition for resources. Finally, the individuals with the most advantageous traits are more likely to survive and reproduce, thus passing on those traits to the next generation. Over time, this process results in the evolution of species as they adapt to their environment. In 1859, after much deliberation and painstaking research, Charles published his magnum opus, On the Origin of Species. The book, which laid out his theory of evolution and natural selection, sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Some hailed him as a genius, while others condemned him as a heretic. However, as time went on and more evidence supporting Darwin's theory came to light, it became the bedrock of modern biology. Charles Darwin's impact on today's world is immense. His work has inspired countless scientists, conservationists, and educators to study the natural world and protect its biodiversity. The understanding of evolution has led to advancements in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and ecology, improving the lives of millions of people. For instance, the development of vaccines and antibiotics has been greatly influenced by our understanding of evolution, as scientists exploit the principles of natural selection to combat disease-causing organisms. In agriculture, the breeding of crops and livestock has been enhanced by the application of evolutionary principles, resulting in more productive and resilient varieties. Charles Darwin's life and work have also had profound societal implications. By demonstrating that all species, including humans, are part of the same evolutionary tree, he challenged the prevailing belief that humans were a separate, superior creation. This revelation sparked a new understanding of our interconnectedness with the natural world and encouraged us to view our fellow creatures with a sense of kinship and responsibility. Despite the controversy that surrounded his ideas, Darwin continued to explore and contribute to the scientific understanding of life on Earth. His later works, such as The Descent of Man, and The Expression of the Emotions in Man and Animals, expanded on his earlier ideas and provided further evidence for his theories. He delved into the realm of human evolution and the development of our mental and moral faculties, connecting our ancestry with that of other primates. Even in the face of opposition and criticism, Charles never wavered in his pursuit of truth. Today, we celebrate Charles Darwin's courage to explore, question, and innovate. Let us remember his curiosity and passion for nature as we forge our own paths, endeavoring to make the world a better place. Let us draw inspiration from his life to follow our passion and curiosity, for they may lead us to discoveries that change the world. Embrace the spirit of exploration, and dare to ask the questions that no one has asked before. Remember that even the smallest observation can lead to the grandest of ideas, and never be afraid to challenge the status quo. Charles Darwin's life teaches us the importance of being adaptable and resilient. In the words of Darwin himself, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, it is the one most responsive to change. This lesson is particularly relevant in today's rapidly changing world, where our ability to adapt and grow is more important than ever. Let us strive to be like Darwin, who saw the beauty and wonder in nature, and sought to unravel its mysteries. Let us be inspired to explore our own world, whether it be the depths of the ocean, the heights of the mountains, or the far reaches of the cosmos. Each of us has the capacity to contribute to our understanding of the universe, and in doing so, leave a lasting impact on generations to come. Let us celebrate the spirit of scientific inquiry and embrace the courage to question established beliefs, for it is through this process that we grow and learn. May we all find our passion and pursue it with tenacity and enthusiasm, just as Darwin did. And may we, too, find the strength to stand against the tide of opposition, confident in the knowledge that the truth will ultimately prevail. In this ever-changing world, let us remember the importance of being adaptable and resilient. Let us be open to new ideas and willing to change our perspectives when presented with evidence that challenges our beliefs. For it is only through change that we can truly grow and evolve. So, go forth with the spirit of Charles Darwin in your heart, and let his legacy inspire you to explore, question, and innovate. May your journey be filled with wonder, learning, and boundless possibilities. And may you, too, leave a lasting impact on the world, forever shaping our understanding of life's intricate tapestry.